Today we are at Disney's Hollywood Studios and we're super excited because we have reservations at Olga's Cantina, and we're going to have a Lightning Lane later on this evening for Rise of Resistance. So that's going to be so awesome. It is. It's going to be awesome to see Matt's response to Rise because he's not ridden it. Cameron has, but Matt has not. So we'll see how this goes. I think he will love it. Yep. A teenager's perspective on Rise of the Resistance will be interesting. All right, let's get to it. Okay, let's go.
Daisy Duck greeting everybody as we come in first thing in the morning. How awesome is that? It is very crowded first thing this morning. Look at all these people jamming down through the street down here.
And the park's been open for an hour.
The park's been open for an hour and they're already just jammed up.
First things first, I think we're going to head straight into Slinky Dog Dash this morning. And get that out of the way before it gets too hot, because most of that line is going to be outside, so we don't want to melt while we're standing in line. And yeah, our legs are still fresh and everybody's still chipper at this point, so it wouldn't hurt us to stand outside for a little bit in line. So we're going to go ahead and do Slinky Dog Dash and have a blast.
All right, here we go, walking into Andy's backyard.
Change of plans. It appears that Slinky Dog Dash is down at the moment, so we're going to step into Midway Mania and ride that real quick. And I say real quick, but it says the line is 70 minutes. So we'll see.
Something to do.
Yeah. Okay, so we figured it out. There appears to be thunder in the area, so that's the reason Slinky Dog's down right now. Hopefully that'll clear up soon. But for now, we're going to go ahead and jump on this Toy Story Mania and see who has the best score.
Me.
Now, I wonder, this thing, it says 2,000 pounds. Does that mean it's a total of 2,000 pounds, or is he lifting 4,000 pounds? Is each side 2,000? I don't know. What do you think?
Each side's 2,000.
Each side is 2,000, so he's lifting 4,000?
Yeah, it says Rocky Gibraltar is his name.
Oh yeah, I see it right there on his belt, Rocky Gibraltar.
Probably won't get a lot of recording done on the actual ride because I want to beat these guys.
I'm gonna whoop him all.
We'll see how that goes.
No, you're not. I am. Yeah.
What?
He thinks he's winning and he's not gonna win. He's gonna lose.
Last time I had 8,600 points. That's enough to beat you all.
We'll see.
What kind of music scares Bo Peep's balloon animals? Anyone? Pop songs.
Hey, Mr. Potato Head, how's the missus?
Well, that was fun.
Yeah.
Because I won.
Of course.
But no, it was fun. I like that little ride.
I like the ride.
And
I like Toy Story. I think it's fun. I like Midway Mania. Toy Story is a pretty cool movie, and I love this land.
Yeah.
The theming is amazing back here. I mean, the Imagineers really outdid themselves. But yeah, Toy Story Midway Mania, I loved it.
It's great for families. We're starting to get a little hungry. Decided to go ahead and order us something from Woody's Lunchbox. And
I'm getting the barbecue brisket melt this time. Never had it. We're gonna see if I like it.
Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I'm getting my Old Faithful, the grilled cheese.
Cameron's getting his banana Pop-Tart thing.
Yep, and I'm getting my adult lemonade. My grown-up lemonade.
Sounds good to me.
Yep.
Banana.
It's the
Banana and
peanut butter and hazelnut spread, I think.
banana and peanut butter. Holy cow!
Barbecue brisket sandwich.
I want to see the barbecue brisket sandwich. What else is on there?
Brisket, barbecue sauce, pickles, I don't know, cheese.
See what it tastes like.
Good. Very good. Would you like a bite?
Cameron, what do you think about your thumbs up? He never has an opinion. His opinion is always a thumbs up, which I guess is good.
It's peanut butter and jelly.
This grown-up lemonade is awesome. This has been my favorite drink here so far. It is. It's got 3 olives, cherry vodka, Minute Maid premium lemonade, and black cherry puree. Man, it's so good. I also love how it's themed. Grown-ups lemonade. Isn't that how a kid would refer to this? It's really good. It's sweet. I love my sweet drinks. This is very sweet.
good. I tell you, I'm surprised at this weather. Look at how overcast these clouds are. It looks like it's going to rain, but nothing's came yet, and it's kind of cool out here. The wind is almost chilly, which is strange. Very strange, but we'll see how it goes. We're here regardless, so we'll see how it goes. I don't think enough can be said about the attention to detail. I mean, come on, look at the ships. I mean, even the environment, the buildings look like they've got blaster marks on them from battles and stuff. It's just amazing, and it is still really crowded in here. The recent reports about the declining popularity of Galaxy's Edge, don't believe it. Yeah, whenever you're over here in Galaxy's Edge, don't forget to stop and look at some of the details they've got. All these old helmets. That's a jetpack right there. Look at that. Right back there. See a jetpack? How awesome is that? I don't know if the camera picks it up very good. It's wanting to focus on the bars and not on the jetpack. That's awesome. All the helmets. Oh, and you see the rocket on top of the jetpack? I don't know if you can see that or not. That's awesome. It's got all kinds of stuff, and thermal detonators. There are actual thermal detonators in there. Be careful. Don't detonate the thermal detonators. Yeah, there we go. Look. See the blaster back there on the wall? How amazing is that? And then there's a rocket pack. And of course the thermal detonators. And then more of these helmets. Another blaster pack. This is just amazing. Just absolutely love all the props they got hanging around. This is just amazing. All right, it's time for Olga's Canteen. DJ Rex is the best. You see him over there jamming? He's awesome. He couldn't keep his job on Star Tours because he kept crashing the ship. So he was unemployed for a little while and decided he would try his hand at DJing. And so Olga's Cantina picked him up, and he seems to be doing really well here. Maybe he's found his niche. Look at that. This is the carbon freeze.
Hang on, I want to. Oh my gosh, that is so flippin' cool.
It is. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, looks like
carbon freeze.
That's it. I think these are black too.
That is incredible. Oh my gosh, it's so cold.
That's awesome. Here is my Jedi mind trick.
These are black cherries.
Well, eat it. I want to try your drink.
That looks very good.
I'm almost scared to drink it.
No, you gotta drink it.
It's good. I tried it. It's very good.
What you think?
I like it.
Here's that sampler for you travelers. You got burrata cheese, mozzarella cheese, mortadella, bresaola, chorizo. There's some spam on there too. Sorry, splorg, excuse me.
It's like a jello.
Do you see the popping pearls in it?
How's it taste?
Like green apple.
What you think?
The rumor you guys are coming and that you're thirsty. You want to wander?
It's okay. You don't really like it that much. I'm gonna try the Jedi mind trick. Is it on purpose? Yeah. Yep. This will work all day. Don't really know where to start with this thing. Yeah, they're good. Both of them are good. They're very unique.
excited.
Yeah, let's go see Indy.
Let's see Indy.
All right. Ready? I'm okay. We have to shelter.
Are you crazy?
Marion, touch me. Hey! Get that fire out! Come on, get in there! Come on! Come on! Let's go! And time! Great job, everyone. Well done. That's a wrap.
Just finished watching Indiana Jones Epic Stunt Spectacular, and it was awesome. They brought back all the old stuff, all the old special effects that they had taken out previously. I'm glad the show's back. What'd you guys think?
I liked it, especially when they did the mock combat or whatever.
The
in the
fighting,
middle.
yeah,
Yeah,
fighting was
that's
cool.
It was really, really funny.
Yeah, they had a lot of humor elements added into it, and the explosions. I know you like the fire.
Yeah, that last one I could feel the heat pretty good.
Yeah, it was awesome. It was really cool. I'm glad that's back.
Hey. Donald's awesome. Daisy's awesome.
We're getting ready to go ride Star Tours. We figured that'd be a good way to spend our time. We got a Dash pass for it, so we didn't have to actually wait in line. They gave us a return time, and it's probably, what, about another 5 minutes?
Yeah,
So,
about another 5.
I love Star
It
Tours.
was a 30-minute wait. Either way, we would have been waiting 30 minutes, either in the line or over here. So we just chilled out and waited. We'll do that, and then I don't know, maybe Muppet Vision, a couple other little odd and end things before we try to get on Slinky Dog for Cameron.
We'll figure it out, but right now we're going to do Star Tours, and I love me some Star Tours.
Yeah, Star Tours is a great ride.
Yep.
Let's do it.
All right.
Don't shout it out all at once, okay? How about you? Where are you? Hold on a second. I would like...
R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble.
Oh.
Don't shoot.
Prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been an attack on Sweet Daughter. What do you mean we broke your ship? You broke our viewport.
And of course, Star Tours empties out into the busiest gift shop on the planet.
All right, we just got out of Star Tours, and I tell you, that ride is always awesome. Of course, I'm a Star Wars fan, so if you're a Star Wars fan, you're gonna like it. It may be a little dated to some, but I don't care. I still like it. Star Tours is a lot of fun.
Muppet Vision. I love Muppet Vision.
Muppets are funny.
I love the Muppets.
Hey, this is a classic.
Always been one of my all-time favorites, the Muppets. I love the Muppets. I could eat, sleep, and breathe Muppets. I love all their movies. I love the show as a child. And Kermit, those long, skinny green legs. I love my Kermit.
Well, let's go check them out.
Keep out. Yes, this means you. Muppet Labs only. Really, really tippy-top secret. Muppet Vision 3D research. Are we even supposed to be going in here? I'm starting to think we're not supposed to be going in here.
Yeah.
I think they want to keep us out. I love the theater. It's so cute in here.
It is. I love it. I love how the walls are projection screens.
And we just ordered from mobile, did a mobile pickup for Dr. Bay 7. So we'll go check that out.
Yeah, we get us some.
Yeah, we're hungry.
Fried chicken.
Need some grub.
We surrender! We surrender!
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to apologize for our slight technical difficulties,
I do wish to assure you that no one was hurt, and this theater suffered only minor damage. So thank you very much for coming to see this demonstration of Muppet Vision technology, and enjoy the rest of your stay, and come see us again sometime.
Got out of Muppet Vision 3D. It's a fun little show, great for little kids. What'd you think? You're not such a little kid. Did you still enjoy the show?
Yeah, I always like that show.
It's cute. It's real cute. One thing that I noticed that I hadn't seen before, the door that was in the waiting room as you're getting ready to go into the theater, the door in the back that has all the keep out signs, the one that I videoed earlier. I can put a screenshot of it right here. But that door actually is the door that leads into the labs in the movie. When you're watching the movie, the door that swings open that goes where Benson and Beaker are, that's the door that leads into those labs, and that's the reason it had all the keep out signs on it. And it's interesting that's actually in the waiting room to go into the movie theater. Did you notice that?
Yeah.
That's cool. All right, well, that's a good movie, but I'm getting hungry. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Let's go eat at Dr. Bay 7.
I love the life-size A-Wing. It's like a real A-Wing. It looks like you could get in it and just fly right off the planet. I say we should do it. Here at Dr. Bay 7, we all got the exact same thing.
Yeah.
And it was all off the kids menu. So I think the portion size is fine.
Oh yeah, I mean this is a pretty good sized piece of chicken. I mean
It's a good way to save a little bit of money too. That's good. I don't know how we can actually. I mean, look at the meat in there.
Don't smell the best, but
Nice white meat.
It's chicken.
Tastes very good. It is very good. It's very juicy. It's well seasoned. I like this. Mac and cheese. How is that? It's good.
The mac and cheese is delicious.
All right.
But I like macaroni and cheese, so. But it's good.
One thing I forgot to mention about the kids meal is they come with a drink too. So the drink is included with the meal. So I think that's a pretty good value.
It's a small drink, but it's enough to wet your whistle.
Yeah, it's fine. You don't want to eat a whole bunch and be miserable while you're out in the park anyway. I mean, there's nothing wrong with this meal. I like it.
I mean, it's $10 a piece. That's a pretty good meal.
Right, it's about time for us to get in line for our Rise of Resistance lightning lane.
Yes.
So
We're gonna go get this ride done. It's the first time Matt's rode it, and I'm really interested to see what he thinks.
let's go do it.
Let's do this.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Bakara. There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company! First Order TIE fighters! Reroute!
Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll go get some friends and make this a fair fight! Don't worry, I'm coming back for you! Stay strong!
I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Resistance sympathizers, your transport has been captured. You're now under the command of General Hoxan of the First Order. Your mission has failed. You will exit the transport, proceed to the right down the hallway for processing and interrogations. Everyone off the shuttle now, move along.
Okay. We got captured. They'll be able to get us out of this.
He's a little scared. It's just the first order. Surely they'll be nice to us. We're just civilians. We know nothing.
Yeah, they think we're resistance, so we'll see how it goes. Let everybody know that we went down the way we did. Yes.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
You out of here safely today. Good luck. May the force be with you.
Thank you.
Done right. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, if those are the prisoners.
You're droids anyway.
These imposters forward! Take them down! Hurry! No, not up! I said down!
This does raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Down the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. Resistance is about to be destroyed.
Came in a little off target.
What just happened?
That's a pretty good way to put it.
That's a pretty good way to put it.
Rise of Resistance
It was awesome. It was amazing. What'd you think?
It's great.
I think by far it's the best ride at Disney World.
The technology behind it is just astounding.
And not just that, but the actors
story
really sell it.
Yes, the actors really sell it. They do a great job telling us not to touch the wall. Me and Matt both touch the wall, so tell them to come tell me to clean it and see what they get.
Alright, so that's an awesome ride.
Awesome ride, awesome, 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 woo! Matt, awesome ride?
Can we ride it again?
we went ahead and got in line for Slinky Dog Dash because the little one really likes that ride. I just love the park at night. I love looking at the lights. How awesome is that? Still got a spring in my step. Here we go. Hang on. Whoa. Woohoo! All right. Whoa! Hang on! Oh, no. You gotta hang on. Are you hanging on? No. You gotta hang on. You need to hang on. No. Are you not hanging on? Here we go! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, here we go. It's a fun ride. I like that. I like
that part when it does this.
You like the up and down part?
Yeah.
You're gonna see fun.
Don't you just love the park at night?
It's beautiful. It's gorgeous.
I love the park at night. I love when they get all the lights on. Look at the lights on the track.
I know. I love the lights on the track. It's beautiful. It's a gorgeous. This land at night is absolutely stunning.
Tonight's the night, right here at the Chinese Theater for Mickey's premiere. This gala is sure to be the talk of the town as every star in Hollywood has gathered to see Mickey's latest sensational picture.
This way about anyone.
It's me.
It is you.
I only hope that we never lose sight of one thing. That it was all started by a mouse.
So that was a
full day.
A full day at Hollywood Studios. So with that, I think that's going to be it. We had a lot of fun. Did a lot of stuff.
I had a very good day.
Autism Cantina was awesome. Rise of the Resistance was awesome.
Indiana Jones was cool.
Yeah, we did a lot.
Always.
We did a lot of stuff. So anyway, we're going to take off because we're exhausted. And
good night.
Yeah.
I'm going to sleep.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Stay charming.